Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to CS5 Gaming. So you're probably wondering why I'm holding this dummy head. It's because I want to try on some masks. Me personally, no, but my good friend here is going to try them on for me. So let's get to the first one. The first one is actually the Roy mask. Now, we know that Roy is coming to the video game, so that's why I want to kind of show this off just one more time. Nice chevrons looking. I could have made them just a little bit darker, but they still look okay. Dirtied up just a little bit, but overall it's actually a pretty good mask. So let's get it on my man here and see what it looks like. Alright, there we go. So you can kind of see, yeah, it actually kind of looks like Roy. You got them, like, lazy, dull eyes. It actually looks pretty cool. It actually fits really well. Maybe what I'll do, if you guys want, I'll do a giveaway on the channel, and I'll make a few more of the Roy masks. And, have a little contest or something, and then you guys can have an opportunity to win a Roy mask. So let me know down below if that's something that you guys want, or, you guys want a $10 gift card or something like that. But, yeah, I like making the masks, and I would like you guys to have an opportunity to maybe win one yourself. So, okay, so the Roy mask looks really, really nice. Okay, we're going to move on to, this is a new mask I just made. This actually is the Jason Goes to Hell mask. This is the Part 9 J mask. And this is the pre-explosion. So this is before he gets exploded, before all the damage and the bullet holes and stuff. So, yeah, the colorization is not as accurate as I would like it to be, but it still looks pretty good here. I got the weathering effects, the damage here, the little blood and stuff. It actually turned out pretty good. It actually fits real nice, too. So let's see how it fits on my man right here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, so that actually looks pretty good. Oh man, it's just the lifeless eyes just makes the mask. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I will make the other version with the damage here. This is my first attempt at the Jason Goes to Hell mask. So I want to see how it actually turned out. So yeah, not bad, not bad. I think it actually looks really nice. Okay, so we're gonna move on to a Nether Mask here. Now, this particular mask is actually, you guys have probably seen this one before. This is the Please Stop Me mask. This is actually from the video game Manhunt. Now, if you haven't played the Manhunt video game, please do me a favor, play the game. It's pretty awesome. It's very adult themed, so just bear that in mind when you purchase it. So let's see what it looks like on my man here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Dude, that actually looks pretty good. That actually looks like from the video game, so... All right, yeah, the video, it's not really doing it justice. The actual color, I mean, on the video, you're seeing here, it's more of a yellowish look, but in real life, it's a really dark yellow. It's not quite orange, but it's actually a really, really dark yellow, and it actually looks better in person. So, yeah, Please Stop Me mask. This was really cool. I like making the custom type of masks like this. So, okay, we got one more here, and it's my absolute favorite mask of all time. And this is the Kratos God of War mask. This is one of my first masks I ever made, and yeah, it's not perfect, but you know what? It's beautiful, and it fits really, really nice. So let's see what it looks like here. Oh, there we go. Oh, Kratos, you'd be so proud of me. That is just a beautiful looking mask. Yeah, you can see here I got the nice little gray look to it. Ashy look, like the ash was bonded to the skin. I think it actually turned out really, really well. I probably, you know what, I'm going to make another one of these. I'm going to make another one, and maybe I'll do a giveaway for the new one that I make. So, I don't know if you noticed, but all of these straps here, these are all custom straps. These are all, they don't come with the masks or anything. I have to actually buy these and glue them together and get all the snaps for them. So, yeah, so, okay, let's do a little recap here. We got my man Ugly Face. We have the beautiful, beautiful God of War mask. We have the Manhunt, Please Stop Me. We have the Jason Goes to Hell mask. And, of course, we have the Roy. Okay, so, yes, again, if you guys have an idea for a mask, let me know down below in the comments for a particular customized mask or a themed mask or even a mask from the franchise, because I love making the masks. It keeps me occupied, and you know what? They're a thing of beauty. They really are. So, also, if you guys want me to do a giveaway for some Roy masks, let me know down below, because I am going to make a bunch of these anyways. So, okay, so thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. It really does mean a lot to me. I like showing these off to you guys. So, okay, until next time, everybody, this is CS5 signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.